I think needs to really work on a customer service. That was not my order. I paid for these. Let's talk. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video we are reviewing your favorite creator brands. Now creators are not just endorsing products but they're actually curating them, and I'm going to sit here review them like a fellow consumer. If I remove the face from the brand, will I still buy the product or not? This is exactly what you will know. I am so excited. We have Kusha Kapila, we also have Radhika Seth and Meghna Kaur's brand. There's Akansha, we also have Malhan Brothers, Nida. Oh my god, I am so excited to tell you everything about their products. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do it right away. I am waiting. Okay, let's get started. I really want to start with a brand that is by a fellow creator friend. Her name is Akansha and I personally love her makeup. She also does fashion reels here and there, and very recently she launched her elevated basics brand called Acute. She actually sent me 3 products to try and test and it came in a package like this. Now सबसे पहले मेरे पास है इनका ये half sleeves t-shirt. I am in the size XL, which is a little bummer for me because I usually wear M in tops, so I think the sizing is not my favorite part. This literally has the softest material ever. It's not patla, so like your undergarments show through and like you want to wear something inside. I think I could call it like a Skims dupe because they claim that this is cloud soft and I can totally just vouch for it. The only thing that I personally don't like is the fact that this kind of sleeve is not my type. It ends very awkwardly. I love like full sleeves, and because this is a t-shirt and does not have like that bodysuit strap, ये थोड़ा ना wrinkle भी बन जाता है near your waist area, which is not my favorite kind because I'm trying to lose weight, and if this looks like I have flabs, I am not impressed. Otherwise, this feels like nothing on the skin. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in this era where fast fashion is slowly going out of my head. I am really investing my money into products that are good quality because I literally still wear the jeans that I bought 10 years ago. So I'm all in for good products that are sustainable, that have a longer shelf life, and I can totally put my money into something like this. Next up, I also have this white color full sleeves bodysuit, which I can easily call my favorite from their range. I'm in the size L. I don't understand why am I in a different size in different categories, but oh my god, it has a really nice stretchy material. It's so freaking soft. The only issue personally what I feel is that इसका neck थोड़ा deep है for my liking. I don't wear necks like that, so मैंने उसको उल्टा पहन के आपको दिखाया है. Otherwise, if this was like a little up, I think this is something that I would buy in every possible color because girl, take my money, this is so good. Lastly, I have this sleeveless bodysuit. I'm again in the size L and I think I vouch for this one because for someone like me, I love wearing blazers and I want like bodysuits inside. I keep getting from H&M and from like random brands, but I think I will totally get this one in every possible color because it is just so comfortable. What I love about them is the fact that they don't have those buttons that you need to tie down, and that really like is so uncomfortable. This has a really nice thick strap and like a tic tac kind of vibe जो बहुत ही easy होता है to put, and I actually wore this outside and मैं इतनी ज़्यादा खुश थी because there was no uncomfortable feeling. It just feels like nothing, right? So it does not even wrinkle, so I think this genuinely has to be my favorite, and I think overall Akansha has done a fab job. The quality of these products are top notch and all of these currently on their website are under rupees 2000. I would genuinely urge that you guys at least get something from them because I'm sure you've not experienced a fabric like this before. You're missing out. Next up we have Focus by Malhan Brothers. ये actually काफी जल्दी आ गया था. It came in a very quirky box like this. I ordered pack of 3. Now these are coconut water based drinks that can actually be like a replacement to your other energy drinks. I feel like they're trying to market the fact that it is healthy, it is no sugar, it can really boost your hydration, because when I'm checking the ingredients, it has vitamin D3, coconut water, sucralose, which is like a healthier version of sugar, taurine. It also has creatine, glutamine, L-carnitine, and that's something that I usually drink for my fitness journey as well. So I think that is basically the target. Now these are for 150 rupees per drink. If I have to be honest, I'm not someone who really goes voluntarily and drinks something. I'm just not a drink person, I would say. But if I am probably working out or if I'm playing badminton, उसके बाद अगर मुझे कुछ healthy मिल जाए, या अगर मैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठी हूँ और मुझे कोई healthy drink मिल जाए, I think I would pick it because I don't want these empty calories in my body when I'm trying to lose weight. So सबसे पहले packaging बहुत ही cool है, and I am gonna try the mango pineapple flavor first. This is literally giving me mango bite in a drink. So the flavor is great. I can also feel the coconut water. Overall, I think good. Okay, next up is kiwi lemon. I personally prefer drinks with lemon. मेरे को virgin mojito and lemon iced tea ये सब flavors usually पसंद आते हैं. So let's see. It's nice. It actually feels like a mocktail. अगर इसको आप glass में डाल दोगे with like some pudina and limbu, no, it's just going to look fancy and also taste good. This is something that I would want after I've played Garba for like 2 hours. And lastly, I have the strawberry watermelon variant. I don't know, for some reason इनके सारे ड्रिंक्स में क्वांटिटी बहुत ऊपर नीचे है. मतलब ये it's literally filled till the brim of it, and दूसरा वाला ऐसा नहीं था, वो नीचे तक था. So there is some unevenness happening, and I don't think it gives professional. So last, did I shake this? I don't know. I don't like how it tastes. ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरे कोकोनट वाटर में किसी ने कोई आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर डाल दिया है. I personally don't like strawberry watermelon based drink, which is why I think this is something that I didn't enjoy. So I think overall, if this was kept in like a store or maybe served in a restaurant, I think I would pick it because I'm on a health journey and this is something that I really look forward to. I literally drink coconut water every single day, so this is going to be a good replacement when I want to add some flavor to it. My top one would be kiwi lemon, and yeah, I think overall great job. And then we have Underneath by Kusha Kapila. I was not expecting her to launch like a shapewear and you know everything that goes underneath. It was a shocker, and I think the marketing, the branding is just so cool. It came in a box like this one, which is really nice. It has a very neutral brown kind of color scheme going on, और ये मुझे कुछ 4-5 दिन में deliver हो गया था. So I think the delivery also is pretty decent. Now they have everything from shapewear to bras to underwears, and I personally thought that I should probably try shapewear because there are not too many Indian brands that do shapewear. I've called for this strapless butt lifting bodysuit. Now this one has detachable straps, तो इसके लिए आप उसको strapless भी बुला सकते हो. It also has an anti-slip kind of technology, तो यहाँ पे वो slip नहीं होगा if you remove the strap. And it also has like shorts, so अगर आप इसको पहनोगे underneath your dresses, you don't have to wear anything except like just pads here and there. And it also comes with like a pee hole, which was very interesting. Now I personally had something very similar. This is a bodysuit from H&M, and if you see, they pretty much look like the same thing. वैसा ही same chest की तरफ वो scrunch हो रहा है, and the only difference is that this is like a proper bodysuit, which I thought that I wasn't wearing enough, because problem क्या होती है that you have to first wear some pads. इसके ऊपर आप ये पहनो and उसके साथ shorts भी पहनो underneath your dresses, so it just felt like a lot of steps. And this on the other hand, because it comes with shorts, it's like lesser steps. Now if I compare the quality, the H&M one is slightly thinner than the Underneath one, but I think they actually look like sisters and not twins, if you get what I'm trying to say. Very similar vibe, but let's put this out of discussion for now. I personally wasn't able to get into this very easily because ये कितना छोटा सा है, and the only way to wear this is from the bottom, and I have like a heavier bottom, so मेरे को इसको पहनने में I think almost 10 मिनट लग गए, and I was really unsure if ये मुझे आएगा भी कि नहीं. I have got the size M. Now I wore this and I felt like this actually cinched my waist so beautifully. Like I already have like an hourglass waist and this was even cinching it, so the hourglassness accentuates because of it. The butt lifting part is also something that I agree with. I think overall I really liked the way I felt in this. I think it just looks bomb with like bodycon dresses, but I was feeling slightly out of breath wearing it. Like I wasn't the most comfortable. I think it comes from the fact that I'm not a shapewear person. I don't wear it on an everyday basis, तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि यार सांस नहीं आ रही है. But otherwise I think amazing experience overall. I think the price point is also very reasonable, which is very H&M vibe. Now here's a comparison of me wearing the same dress with and without the shapewear. I think you guys let me know if you think आपको लग रहा है कि कोई major difference है कि नहीं. I personally feel like मुझे तो बहुत comfortable लग रहा है without it, but I think definitely the waist part is much more defined with the shapewear. But here's a live comparison so you can decide for yourself. And then we have Coffee Brand, and when I think of Coffee Brand, it really reminds me of Sarah because she was the first creator to start Impulse Coffee. And then we have Naked Coffee by शी ट्रबल मेकर नहीं है उसका नाम, मेघना कौर है, बट मेरे को शी ट्रबल मेकर ही आता है, एंड राधिका सेठ. नाउ दीज पीपल एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड देयर कैफे एंड उन्होंने अभी फॉर नाउ 2 आउटलेट्स ऑलरेडी खोल लिए हैं, एंड दोज आर रियली फार फ्रॉम माई रीजन. Even though you can order them from Zomato and Swiggy, I could still not order it. So the only thing that was left for me was the fact that I go ahead and get their coffee. But the problem is that they have coffee beans and they also have like a medium ground coffee. But उन दोनों को बनाने के लिए आपको लगता है काफ़ी heavy coffee equipments and machines जो मेरे पास नहीं है. The only option that was left for me to try their brand was to get this pour over bags. Now ये भी उनके website पे sold out है. I actually DM them that I want to make a video, but I had no response. So I actually had to ask a friend to go ahead to their cafe and probably pick this, and we finally found something. Getting this was a task is what I'm trying to say, but I really love the branding. I mean, it's so cool, it's so aesthetic, it's so New York vibe. I love the colors of the brand. It's just it girl. And I actually got this pack जिसके अंदर आपको मिलते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 1 2 3 4 4 बैग्स ऑफ पोर ओवर्स. ये 865 रुपीज़ का पड़ा, एंड द पैकेजिंग इज़ वेरी कूल. द बॉक्स इज सो नाइस. इसके साथ आपको एक कार्ड मिलता है दैट टेल्स यू वेयर योर कॉफ़ी इज़ फ्रॉम. नाउ माइन इज़ फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु, द वन दैट आई हैव सिलेक्टेड, एंड दिस हैज़ cacao nibs. It's bittersweet and it's dark chocolate variant. अब this is actually medium roast. इनके पास light और dark भी होता है, and this is in the rich and chocolatey variant. To make this, you actually have to take that UFO thing, place it on your glass, and then just pour over hot water 2 to 3 times to get your very freshly brewed coffee that you are ready to sip naked. And let's go try it now. So this is the coffee that I brewed. मैंने इसको फ्रिज में रख दिया था because I personally like my coffee cold. And first impressions, the coffee is so strong and it literally transports me to like a Starbucks because the vibe is so good. It just gives me rich coffee vibe. Now इसके अंदर मैंने कुछ भी नहीं डाला as a sweetener. Let's taste this without it and see how we like it, and then we'll also add milk to see if this is good with that too. It's actually really nice. एकदम ऑथेंटिक कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट आ रहा है. ऐसे लगता है कि अभी जिस ग्राउंड कॉफ़ी को आपने अगर फ्रेशली ब्रू किया होगा तो वैसा टेस्ट. इट्स सो रिच एंड आई एम ड्रिंकिंग इट विदाउट एनी स्वीटनर एंड आई स्टिल डोंट माइंड द बिटरनेस. I do see the little bit of dark chocolate flavor, but it's not very overpowering. मुझे इसमें इतना ज़्यादा किसी भी फ्लेवर का वाइब नहीं आ रहा है, बट द कॉफ़ी इन इटसेल्फ इज़ रियली गुड. नाउ आई हैव एडेड मिल्क टू दिस. आई थिंक ज़्यादा मिल्क हो गया है, बट लेट्स सी. मिल्क ज़्यादा हो गया है. I can't make a decision. Let's add some sweetener because what if I want to make it exactly how I make my own coffee? Will I drink it? Will I not? I think this decides. I miss a frother so that I could make it a little foamy. I think even though milk quantity थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है, but when I take sips, it just gives me rich coffee that you probably get at a barista or a cafe, like I mentioned, like a Starbucks. And I think I get the point where they say unapologetically good fucking coffee, because this is actually very good. I want to really go ahead and step into their cafe and try something that they make, because I'm sure it's going to be banging. I think for now, I would say they've done a fab job. And towards the end, we have Modesty by Nida Khan. This is actually something that I called over before my Umrah, but the delivery was delayed. It did not come on time. I personally have so much to say about it, because firstly their website has been down since forever, so it's not a seamless customer experience, because I don't want to be DMing a brand and waiting for them to revert, because nobody has time for all that today. I just want to like go to the website and just do things professionally. No website. I actually placed an order via their DM for this 2-piece khimar set, and I think I got it for about 3,600, 800. I'm not sure, but I do remember that, you know, the price point is not the most reasonable. So when a creator is pricing their products at that mark, you better have good services, which I think I was really disappointed with, because number one, when I ordered a product, this is what it looked like on their page, and I was like, okay, this is a color that I don't have, I want to wear it for my Umrah. It was a nice beige biscuity kind of color, but upon delivery I got something like this. This is like a dark chocolate brown. This is not something that I called for, and I was so bummed, because what am I supposed to do? Like I have my Umrah, पहले तो ये लेट आया, मुझे इसका काम भी नहीं, और अब ये कलर भी इतना खराब आएगा. I don't know when will I use this next. I actually reached out to their Instagram page, and they redirected my query to someone, and then that person calls me and he's like, मैम आपको क्या दिक्कत आ रही है अपने ऑर्डर के साथ? I'm like, I already have mentioned it on Instagram कि the colors are not matching. This is very मतलब गुमराह कर रहे हो आप लोग, क्योंकि आप लोग कलर, I don't know, I mean I shoot myself bro, like I know कितना 19-20 कलर का फर्क आ सकता है, but this is like 10 shades ऊपर नीचे. This is not possible. And when I literally sent him pictures कि मैंने ये मंगाया था, ये आया, he's like, it's not possible. What do you mean it's not possible? And then he goes like, but ma'am आज तक किसी ने complain नहीं किया है. So like, so I mean, just because someone is standing up and saying कि मैगी मैदे से बना है, it's unhealthy, that does not mean that it's not, right? Like people might have not put up that point, but yeah, like you guys are really misleading your customer right now. And I was not happy with the order, because मेरे लिए useless product है, to be honest. I don't want it. So I told him that I would like to like return it and stuff. So he's like, but ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है, and this, and I'm like, why are you so adamant कि ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है? मैंने आपको भेजे हैं pictures. What is the issue? I'm attaching screenshots on the screen of the chat. It was such a headache, honestly. And then I'm like, okay, tell me what next, can you book a courier? He's like, no, I will not book a courier, you have to book a courier. I'm like, ये तो हद हो गई, मतलब उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे कि ये भी मैं ही करूँ. It was such a bad experience. I feel like genuinely creators, when they are at a position like that, especially when you have such a huge following, every single step needs to be really thought of multiple times, because you have an image. And I am really going to judge you if you're going to sit there and give an experience like this to your customers, because no, it's not cool at all. So I genuinely had a really bad experience. Will I order from them again? जिंदगी में कभी नहीं. मतलब क्यों वो सर दर्द दो अपने ऊपर. So overall, even though the product is good and I do like the fabric and stuff, my experience was so bad that I don't want to go through that trauma again. And I think overall this is a huge disappointment. And that is it for this video. Here was my brutally honest review of all of these creator brands. Let me know what do you guys think about them, and what were your views after you saw this video in the comments below. इनमें से कौन से products है जो आप जाके try करना चाहोगे, जिस पे आप अपनी मेहनत की कमाई लगाना चाहोगे, मुझे बताना. I think my favorites have to be number 1, Acute. Chumeshwari. I love the fabric. And Sip Naked. I'm genuinely just gonna try other variants too. Too good. I love it, and I absolutely vouch when creators take a step ahead, because genuinely, not every creator can be an entrepreneur. It's not easy, and vice versa. Like, entrepreneurs can't be creators. So those are completely different fields. To produce a product and to go through that whole phase of manufacturing, labeling, packaging, advertising, it is not easy. It's a different ball game altogether, and I have huge respect for creators who can probably pull it off in a very amazing, nice way. So yeah, I think that was my verdict. You let me know, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.